The nature of modern warfare is changing. Drones, cruise missiles, rockets, and low-flying combat aircraft now pose significant challenges on the battlefield. One of the world's most reliable solutions to counter these threats is the Oerlikon Sky Shield, developed by the German defense company Rheinmetall. It is a short-range air defense (SHORAD) system, renowned for its mobility, accuracy, and lethality. The Oerlikon Sky Shield is a modular system. Guns, missiles, or radars can be added or removed based on operational requirements. The entire system is typically mounted on trucks, allowing rapid deployment and withdrawal. Weapon: 35mm revolver cannons, up to 2 can be integrated. It can fire 1000 rounds per minute. Ammunition: ahead, advanced hit efficiency and destruction, smart ammunition. Upon reaching the target, the projectile explodes and disperses 152 tungsten sub-projectiles, shredding drones or missiles. The single shot kill probability is over 90%. Radar: the X-Star 3D, X-band tracking and acquisition radar, can detect and track threats up to 50 kilometers away. Battle management: the Skymaster command and control system automatically determines engagement solutions within 10 seconds of target detection. The system is designed to engage multiple types of threats simultaneously: small, medium, and large drones, helicopters, low-flying fixed-wing aircraft, cruise missiles, rockets and artillery shells within a limited range. A key feature is its high degree of automation. Once activated, the system can lock onto targets, compute firing solutions, and engage without manual intervention. Multiple Sky Shield units can be networked together. Even if one unit is destroyed, others continue to operate. During the Ukraine-Russia conflict, Germany supplied an upgraded variant of the Sky Shield called Skynest, which proved highly effective against drone swarms. Additionally, Indonesia and South Africa have acquired the system to protect critical installations. Several NATO member states use it as one layer of their integrated air defense architecture. The Indian Army is actively pursuing a short-range air defense (SHORAD) system. Given the increasing incidence of drone infiltrations and missile threats along the borders, defense analysts consider the Oerlikon Sky Shield a strong contender. Indian delegations have reportedly attended Rheinmetall's demonstrations, and technical evaluations are ongoing. Rheinmetall has already introduced a more advanced, mobile version called Skyranger, which can be mounted on armored vehicles to provide mobile air defense. Future upgrades are expected to integrate laser weapons to further enhance counter-drone capabilities.